I'm not no doubt. And it needs to be,
That's
and you're
Islamic
safe.
supremacy.
Yeah.
That's Islamic supremacy.
What does
Not
that mean?
Christianity.
What does that mean, supremacy?
In God,
Define
all
supremacy.
man is equal.
Define. Okay.
All man is
so
equal in
am I gonna
Jesus
go to
Christ.
paradise when I die if I don't believe in Jesus?
Yes.
I go to
If you don't
paradise.
believe- Let me make it more clear. If you do not believe in the word of God,
If I don't believe, where I
the
go?
word of God,
Where I'm gonna go?
the word of Allah.
No,
If you don't believe in the word of
where
Allah,
I'm gonna go? If
Psalm
according to Christian.
141, if you do not believe in that word, you're
Brother,
going to
look.
hellfire.
I'm going to
Am I
hellfire.
wrong?
Is the hellfire for good people or worse people?
All non-believers,
Is it good? The hellfire is it for the good people or the worst people?
the good people.
Good people for hellfire. So the hellfire is for good
No,
people.
sorry, the worst people.
Worst people.
Sorry.
Supremacy. Could believe I'm worst.
Yes.
You see, see,
No,
see how different you.
no, that's
Khalas,
not
you see?
supremacy.
That's it.
not supremacy.
So what says no
That's not
supremacy as well?
supremacy.
What says no
That's judgment.
supremacy?
That's a judgment.
My-
That's a judgment.
But
That's
I'm
a
not
common
shouting. Look,
judgment. Come on,
that's
bro.
my
Don't
judgment
lie.
too.
That's not supremacy.
That's judgment too.
Supremacy is
That's a
saying
judgment too.
that you are better than me.
Because
That's judgment.
in the sight of God, yeah. In the sight of God, not the sight of me. In the sight of God,
Said Islamic supremacy,
In the
not
sight,
Allah's supremacy.
no, Islam is not supremacy. I don't even accept this term, by the way. It's not in the Quran. It's not in the Bible anyway.
So will
Let me finish. Let's finish it. When I ask you simple question, what I said is a judgment of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.
Yeah.
A Muslim is better than a non-Muslim. No doubt about that. And not because of his skin color, because of the belief in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. For the non-Muslim to be a good person in front of their creator, become a Muslim. And you don't have to kill yourself. So not because I'm better than a non-Muslim because I have a nice garment or from Algeria. No, because the belief I have about the creator of everything, the creator of everything elevated me above non-believers. Like we believe the following.
No,
I'm not going to belittle them. Oh, likewise, Jesus and his true followers. Let me finish. I haven't finished, brother. I haven't finished. Likewise, Jesus and his followers, the true followers, they were elevated above Pharisees. They're better than the Pharisees. That's it.
Where do you find that in the Bible? Where do you find that in the Bible?
Okay, are the Pharisees equal to Jesus in the sight of God?
All man is equal to Jesus.
I did ask you. No, in belief.
Let me answer it my way.
Okay.
All man is equal in the sight of God.
So, okay,
because you know what? Let me finish. Because he created man in his image.
So why Jesus insult
Wait a
them?
minute.
Why
Wait a
Jesus
minute.
insult them? If they're good like him, why
He
insult them?
them for their beliefs, not for because of what they are.
For their
what they
belief? Yeah,
Yes.
okay. So that's what I'm asking you. Is the
But he
belief...
didn't say he's greater than them. Wait a minute, brother. Wait a minute, brother. Where did he say that he's greater than any person in the Bible? Wait a minute. You ask, don't give me fables. Where did Jesus say that he's greater than the Pharisees?
I'll tell you where. Step by step for you to understand. And now, I'm asking you a simple question. Jesus belief,
Yes.
is it better than the Pharisees belief?
What do you mean better?
Okay, Jesus belief, is it worse? Which belief is worse? Jesus belief or the belief of the Pharisees? Which one is worse?
Jesus don't have to believe he's God.
Okay.
Does God have to believe?
So if it's God, how is it equal to them? So humans are equal to God?
No.
So they're not equal, then you refute yourself. Bye-bye. Take care of yourself. Have a nice day.
No.
You refute yourself. You said they're equal, then it's to me he's God. So they're not equal.
We're talking about...
Are they equal or not equal?
You see what you're trying to do? You're trying to bring a false narrative and a false
I'm not.
comparison.
I'm just telling you.
We're talking about Muslims. We're not talking about God and man. We're talking about Muslims and Christians. You see, you try to change the narrative.
I'm not, because according to the Bible, we're talking
about Muslims and Christians. We're not talking about
no,
God
not just
and
Christians, the Jews and the non-believers, all of them.
But you can say the same in Islam.
Yeah.
Allah is above man.
What are you talking about?
Would you say Allah is above man? Allah is greater than man.
No doubts about that.
Would you say Allah is greater than man?
Greater than everything.
Right.
But
so
I'm
we're
not
having that comparison. We're talking about
no, but
Christians.
I'm asking you.
Wait a minute. We're talking about Christians and Jews.
No problem. So Jews who believe Jesus. Okay. In the sight of God, the Jews that believe Jesus was a bastard, and the Christians who believe Jesus was the Son of God, are they same in belief in the sight of God?
I can't answer that question. It's a false question. Who said Jesus was a bastard?
The Jews believe that. Some of them, the Jewish people in Talmud, they believe he was a bastard.
Go on. Tell me where.
You don't know? Hi, I'm going to show you. If I show you, what we're going to say?
He was a bastard.
Yeah, he was a son of a fornicator female.
A fornicator female?
Yeah, they believe.
Wait a minute. Do you believe that?
I don't believe that. Before asking me, don't this subject. Before you ask me,
I've been a Christian.
Look, brother, are you just jumping around here? No, I'm asking you simple questions.
Years old. I've been a Christian.
That's good.
I've been a Christian.
Brother, this is home office here. It's not home office. Tell us about your age.
I have never heard anybody in the Bible, and you cannot bring that to any Christian and say that they call Jesus a bastard.
No, it's not in the Bible. I didn't say in the Bible.
Because we know he's born of the Virgin. And
I believe that.
You just insulted
brother,
Mary. You just insulted
You're not even listening.
You just insulted
Not
Mary.
me. I said the Jewish people.
You called her a fornicating woman.
Jewish said.
Nobody. Where in the Bible? Nobody says that in the Bible.
I said Talmud. You know Talmud?
How old is the Talmud?
Forget about how
Wait a minute,
old.
how old is this?
No. Forget about how old. Forget about how old. Take care of yourself. He's just saying off.
Where's the Talmud?
I'm going to ask you a simple
Where is the
question.
Talmud? Is the Old
Can I
Testament or
speak?
New Testament?
I'm asking you a
Wait a
simple
minute.
question. It's
Is the
before the New
Talmud-
Testament. There's two of Talmud. There's the Babylonian one, and there's what you call it the. It's not even let me finish.
Yourself. Go on.
Yeah, the point here is I'm asking
Bring a
you.
Talmud, that's the Old Testament.
I'm just
and Jesus
asking-
is the New
no
Testament.
problem.
So how can the people in the Old Testament years ago insult somebody that's not born yet?
The Old Testament is not
doesn't make
Talmud.
sense.
Talmud is something carried on by scholars, by the rabbis. Talmud doesn't have a stop. No, there's explanation. Talmud mean is the oral Torah, which was explained by the rabbis.
Talmud is the Old Torah.
But before you go to that, because I want to go back to the main point. My question was to you: if a man standing now said Jesus is a bastard, and a Christian said Jesus Son of God, in both of them in the front of God, who was better?
I would agree. No, sorry, repeat that.
Okay, we have a Christian man
Yes.
saying Jesus is the Son of God.
Yes.
Believing according to the Christian belief. Believe Jesus according to the Christian belief.
According
And
to Islam as well.
no, we don't believe Jesus is the Son of God. So it's not according to. I just stick to my points. It's step by step to understand.
So we're
And I'm-
1919. Go on, son. Go on.
I'm going to finish with this for you to understand. So we have a Christian who said Jesus is Son of God.
Yes.
And we have another person who said Jesus was a bastard, evil liar. In the sight of God, who has a better belief? The Christian or the person who said Jesus is a bastard liar?
Where's the Christian?
The Christian. So the Christian is better than him. That's it. Bye bye.
He's
Take
not
care of yourself.
supreme. He's not
Take care of yourself.
supreme
خلاص.
being.
خلاص take care.
He's not supreme.
Bye.
He was preaching and he was preaching and he
Who's
was
David Lee?
saying, "Can I
Oh yeah.